Yeah. I can't do it. I can't do it too fast.
What?
हाँ, it's हो नहीं रहा वो. It's you require kind of like dexterity with your tongue, I think.
Yeah.
अरे चाटा चाटा लोड़ा लोड़ा बुन में डाल.
You need to get involved in more cunnilingus. Bedroom cardio for your tongue.
Yeah. Yeah, what's up with the dudes who are like, oh no, I don't need pussy, bro. That's not mass,
Dude,
man.
yeah, some people don't, I guess.
That's weird. I mean, like, fine, I get it if you don't like it, but if it's like one of those things where I'm a man, you know,
Dude,
that's like a weird stance to me.
Pussy is one of my favorite meals, bro.
It's part of a balanced diet.
Yeah.
100%.
FDA की recommended daily allowance में.
Dude, मैं किसी की भी नहीं.
You eat
चाटूंगा.
pussy वो खीरा खाएंगे बस खत्म.
हाँ.
बुड में डाल.
नहीं यार, the speed is not there.
It does.
निमोड़ा.
बुड में डाल. अच्छा.
बुड में डाल.
It's a tongue twister.
Exactly.
भाई कर दे rap.
Put me down.
Ganmara. Oh, this is actually easier.
Ganmara.
Exactly. Ganmara is probably easier to pull off.
Yeah. Ganmara.
अरे चाटा लोड़ा.
Ganmara. और भाई गंडमरो
तूने डाला तू सर मत हला ऐसे. You brought it up.
मैं कोई भी एक छोटा सा गाना मेंशन कर दो बस पूरे फिर 10 मिनट यही उसका बुंड का रिमिक्स
तो एक बात बता, मैं अब सीरियसली इस गाने को गाऊंगा तो तू जो तू गा रहा है, मतलब कि एक बात बता. नहीं सीरियसली बता मेरे को.
क्या?
Am I really that far gone that I'm going to be singing निमड़ा? Are you nuts? So you have to.
सीरियसली गाएगा तो ये थोड़ी गाएगा. I'm not the only one type गाएगा. Sam Smith.
Anyway, I'll blame it on my dad. You know, he's done this to me.
No, I think तुम सारे पंजाबी लोग करते हैं ये.
मेरी भी फैमिली में तो है.
एक बार
पंजाबी करते हैं.
So I grew up.
मेरे चाचू भी तो करते हैं.
We'd go on like long drives, you know, like vacations, right up to the hills. Hills क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
I don't know, vacation ही बोलते हैं.
नहीं उसको
road trip.
यार उसको
पहाड़. हिल स्टेशन. चल नहीं रहा तेरा अंदर का.
भाई मैं बिल्कुल कम सोया हूँ यार रात को, और मैंने फिर उठ के 2 पिज्जा खा लिया तो मेरा दिमाग ना अभी is not in a very healthy
पिज्जे खाए.
संडे बना रहा था भाई.
Yeah, but dude, Grotto solid pizzas, and I had one of those. Do you like a white pizza where it's just like
the white sauce?
Yeah, just the cheese and bacon and onions.
Yeah, that
so
sounds
tight,
good.
So tight.
As long as the onions are not too kacha on that.
They were a little, but that's why it was good.
Really?
Yes.
I would think
you must give it a shot.
Okay.
Grotto, and then they had the regular pepperoni and chorizo. Or
I'm kind of off pizza, but sure, when I make an exception. Kabhi to you do enjoy it.
You're too busy eating pussy, huh?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Pussy. I'm on an all meat diet.
All puss diet.
Good for you.
Yeah.
The animal diet as it
भाई वैसे हमें पिज्जा का कंपटीशन करना चाहिए. जैसे हमने वो
अभी काकोरी का कंपटीशन अभी हमने किया.
काकोरी रोल का कंपटीशन किया. Pizza would be better.
But a full pizza then, or is it a slice?
Full pizza.
Oh, well, that's
because you want like the competition. ये होती है कि how much, like if you can eat a lot of food fast, not a little bit of food fast.
Right.
You know? That's what I think. यार मेरे साथ पता है क्या हुआ? Because रोजे के टाइम पे पता नहीं क्या गूगल को पता नहीं क्या सुन लिया गूगल ने. मैं लंच ब्रेक लेता हूँ ना from work, and then
लंच ब्रेक में करता क्या रोजे के टाइम?
कुछ नहीं खाता नहीं, but I still take a break from work basically, and usually I would be eating lunch at that time.
Right.
And so I'm on YouTube sometimes, and उसपे YouTube is recommending me food videos only during Ramadan. पता नहीं क्या अजीब किस्म का.
God tests your faith in many ways. You know?
And it's not just food videos, bro. It's competitive eaters. Wow. And this is I've watched hours of this.
Say that again. Sorry.
Competitive eaters.
Oh, like wow.
Food challenges and competitions.
Yeah, so basically they eat like 5 pounds of meat in one sitting.
I've done a food challenge, by the way.
Where?
Do you remember Saibab mein Fat Burger hota tha once upon a time? Fat Burger. Anyway, this is like going back now almost 10 years. So first floor pe hota tha.
Cyber Hub has been around for 10 years.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, dude.
Easy.
Never been to Cyber Hub ever in my life.
What do you mean?
Never?
Never
been to Cyber Hub. I don't do good.
That's crazy.
Only if I have to.
Cyber Hub was the I
was
used to go
the
there
spot,
a lot, yeah.
But anyway.
But अब तो there are multiple spots in Gurgaon पे.
Yeah, One Horizon is tight. I've only been the one time.
Yeah.
Fat Burger ka challenge. It was basically you had 15 minutes to finish this huge burger, which was a kilo. and उसके साथ fries वाइज भी होता था, and you had to finish some
Kilo is
थोड़ी
2
सब्जी
pounds. 15
and
minutes is very
Finish the
little
whole
time.
meal and
15
then
minutes.
you
Listen,
get it for free or
for
something.
free, and your
Right.
name in
So
the
there
wall
are
of fame.
entire YouTube channels where people just go travel the world and do challenges.
And if you don't finish it, then you end up paying for the whole
You pay for the meal.
So I attempted this in 2016, and all my friends came, like सब 10-11 लोग आए थे मेरे को देखने के लिए.
अभी भी है ये वो फैट बर्गर?
No, it hasn't been there for. It's been these places cycle also quite
Yeah,
often.
like,
Sometimes.
no, I
so.
need to find out India में
They
और
used to have
Delhi
great
Gurgaon में
deals on booze, bro.
where are the food competitions?
They used to have great deals on booze. Anyway, but so they gave you this huge ass burger with fries and the shit, and you had to finish everything in the plate within 15 minutes, and it was super spicy. Like I was dying, and
That's the trick.
Yeah.
and they bring it out piping hot, and you, as soon as it hits the table, your time starts.
Dude,
You can't even wait for
that
it to.
challenge is made to make you fail.
So I got very
it's
close.
like those grabby toy things. क्या बोलते हैं?
हाँ, the vending machine.
tentacles.
And this is like my prime eating. These are my chonky days. Like I'm talking 30 kilos heavier than now. Chonky. Like
अच्छा recent बात है.
10 साल पहले Good one.
nice. 8 years ago. But
I would have loved to have done that.
so now I was doing really well. My brother Viraj, now this bastard, okay, जब मैं खा रहा था थोड़ा, some of these fries fell out, this, that, whatever, also because it was overflowing, and I was doing really well. He kept picking them up and putting them back in my plate.
So he's just keeping
Dude,
you
I
accountable.
respect. Dude,
He's keeping you accountable.
you
man.
respect the hustle.
He's keeping you accountable, bro.
Fuck off. I was, bro. He was like, oh, I was worried ki you wanted to eat them. I'm like, I have enough food.
He's
That's
looking
not
after
the
you.
problem. Fuck him.
No, but if you don't finish it, if there were fries on your table, like
Those were fine.
the
They were-
restaurant people would have said.
No, they didn't care about that. They were like, koi baat nahi sir, rehne do. And they weren't. Essentially, I was on my last.
to have you fail. They don't want you to pass the challenge
was on
and
my-
not pay.
I was on my last bite.
Hmm.
I hadn't swallowed.
Well, he's fairer than you, so he's right in any
Yeah.
case. Yeah.
Yeah, उसके वोट 2 काउंट
1000 रुपए बर्बाद हो गए उसमें.
भोसड़ी का वैसे तो बात करते हैं नहीं, आज बाइक में के गुण में घुसा हुआ है. Yeah. Anyway.
तो बढ़िया है ना.
हाँ, अच्छी बात है.
Yeah. Well, good. Yeah. I mean, I guess we could do one of those challenges.
So what happened? Did you fail the challenge or what happened?
Yeah, I failed.
Weak.
Obviously.
Bro. So you paid.
Yeah, 1000 रुपए का था. Which
fine.
now if you think about it,
It's
it's a very
more of a
good
social
deal
thing.
also for that much.
It's a story of your failure. So what did next time come
देख
with me.
सोशल पे जाके हमेशा मैंने
Well, let's
विंग्स
say-
की माँ
yeah.
चोद के फ्री लेमनेड तो पाया है.
क्यों कैसे मिलता है?
वो होता है. If you finish कोई विंग्स का होता है, you free lemonade मिलता है.
Wings I can't eat fast.
Lemonade, मतलब कि fucking
वो फास्ट की बात
Bro,
है. वो सिर्फ
20
स्पाइसी है. वो सिर्फ स्पाइसी है.
basically वो जो 20 रुपए का सड़क पे मिलता है वो 120 का तुमको lemonade free देगा ostensibly, you know.
It's whatever.
नहीं, but challenge क्या था? It's not
देखो
about the
बनता नहीं है.
reward, man. It's
Yeah,
about
yeah.
the experience. It's about the challenge.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway,
वो बहुत
तो
easy होता था लेकिन.
nowadays whenever I order food, because उन वीडियो से इंस्पायर हो चुका हूँ मैं, वो competitive eaters से, I try to eat it as fast as humanly possible.
That's what the fuck.
Like
That's a weird fucking.
I feel like this rosa thing is not the best for your health. You know?
Iftar ka meal,
Where you
I
just
finish
don't
in
eat and then you eat everything unhealthily really fast.
No,
Yeah.
it's not unhealthy food. I
No,
still
unhealthily
eat-
really fast is what
Yeah.
I said. No, food is not unhealthy, but like, the way of consuming it.
Surely the chewing and also is also important, right, for digestion and.
I don't worry about all that. I mean, it's
It
fun
is.
to eat fast.
But he
You know,
also
it's
just like he demolishes the Diet Coke right after his meal or something, no? You stop doing that.
So these days I usually do. I'm a big Coke head, but
Wow.
I'm trying to like wean off of it. You know, slowly.
Well, it's not gonna happen tonight.
Yeah, I mean,
No.
it's
Yeah.
harder said than
Don't
done.
think
Yeah,
so.
yeah. You know,
Harder
I mean,
said than done. Nice.
These
nice,
big
great.
American conglomerates have really figured out how to make Coke really addictive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. Well, you know what they say.
What do they
Sugar activates the same neurocircuitry for addiction that cocaine does.
Wow.
Sugar does.
Sugar does, yeah. It hijacks the brain like that.
Like
I've
what?
heard that somewhere.
Added
Yes.
sugar.
Added sugar, nahi, any sugar, yeah.
Sugar.
Like fructose.
Bro, fucking
Sugar.
Yeah,
चीनी ले बहनचोद kitchen
anything
जा.
that ends in OSE is a sugar. Sucralose, fructose, lactose, glucose, they're all sugars.
Verbose.
Right. Yeah. तभी तो मैं शशि थरूर को देख के डायबिटीज लग जाती है मेरे को.
और नहीं तो क्या?
वो ट्विटर खोलो.
मीठा.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't know about his sexual proclivities.
I'm talking about his diabetes.
मीठा is slang for homosexuality.
Like fruity,
no.
because fruit में
ये मीठा है.
fructose होता है.
ये मीठा है.
Sugar.
Yeah.
So gay people are sweet is the idea. They're sweet people. Nice
Yeah.
guys.
Well, sure. I don't have to generalize, so I don't want to put one specific attribute.
Yeah, I'm sure some of them are bastards, bro.
Mm.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bit of a hit and miss.
Right.
Yeah. So what else?
How much of the population is gay? Like how percentage?
Yeah, it's
World
pretty
India?
much steadily around 3
Increasing, right?
3 to 4%. Increasing is a funny thing because the number of people identifying as, now I'm looking at this Pew poll that was released about America specifically. And America is probably a good metric because it's the nation where acceptance about different sexual orientations is the most prevalent, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So this is generationally. Gen Z, silent generation, about 1% by one. Gay or lesbian 2%.
Silent generation क्या है?
Yeah, before baby boomers, the ones that went through World War One.
Oh my God.
Okay, babies.
None of them must be gay.
Silent because they're all dead. You can't hear them.
They
anymore.
are not. I mean, they
No,
must be-
it's supposed to be the strong silent type, the one that just did their duty and shit. That's why they're called the silent generation.
Wow.
Yes. Baby boomers, again 2% gay, lesbian, something less than 2%,
This is people
bisexual or
who-
something else.
these are like survey type.
Yes, and these are all self-reporting, so
Yeah.
there's always a margin for error, right?
No, these are people who are not out yet, na?
That's what that's
Yeah.
also self-reporting. You might be self-censoring, right? That's
Yeah.
always the case with these
Right.
surveys, right? So there's always a margin of errors like 3%, but that's too big a leap. But 3%, I guess, I don't know if it's like relative to the percent or the whole slot. Anyway, baby boomers again 2%. Gen Xers 3% gay, lesbian, 2% bisexual. Millennials 5% gay, lesbian,
Okay.
4% something else, 7% bisexuals. Gen Z again 5% gay, lesbian, 8% something else, and 15% bisexual.
Something else?
Something else. I mean, like
What is something else?
I mean, pansexual, sapiosexual,
Bartan sexual,
asexual,
book sexual.
Right. I mean,
Pansexual, kadai
Watch,
sexual.
no, like the
Clock sexual?
now I don't know about
Cock
the people
sexual?
that are otherkin.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know whether they want to fuck lizards and shit. Who
Yeah,
knows?
dude, I've lost track.
Yeah. Anyway, so on average, but on average, 5-ish, 8%, about 8% हो गया Gen Z में, but 5-ish% is what like gay, lesbians.
So it's like 1 in 10 people.
1 in 5 people. Sorry,
10% total हुआ ना?
10%. अगर 10% तो हम ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं, 5 to 8%. 8%
5
is
to
only Gen
8%,
Z.
हाँ.
हमारी generation में 5% है.
तो
1
आप
in 20.
राउंडिंग मैं
1
राउंड
in 20.
करता हूँ to 10.
Round. Anyway, 4.5 को round up करते to 5. You can't round from 5 to
8
10.
बोला ना?
अरे but
Oh,
कितने
8
लोग
but 8 is Gen
underreported
Z.
हैं?
Hmm.
But so many numbers won't make it.
No,
to
America.
this,
That's why I said America is
America,
better
right.
because there you are not, millennials almost, you're not hiding it.
यार वहाँ पे
Right.
ना I was in LA and I know वहाँ के statistics के साथ there's a lot of people who are out of the closet.
Yeah.
But it's not like it's hard to tell. Like my gaydar is very bad. And
Yeah, sure.
तेरे को खुद का भी नहीं
No,
पता.
but
वहाँ
that's-
पे
that's
it's not
because-
something you ask, it's not something you can.
Yeah, well, no, but
Ask.
that's because so like your perception is probably colored by a certain type of gay individual that you might view in popular culture, and there.
No, it's not.
No, but that's what I'm saying. You can't tell. I mean, you're not supposed to tell.
Right.
There's not always going to be this. Fine, you can spot a gay from a mile away, right? You can't always tell.
But
Right?
some people have good gaydars though.
Sure, sure. There are subtle cues you can pick up on,
Yeah.
right?
Their interactions with you and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah. They have a handlebar mustache. They have some diamond piercings, and they
People talk to
They
also
wear-
people talk to the sex they're attracted to differently than they talk
But
to
did a
whoever they're
gay
not.
person ever hit on you?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you do? Do you like tell them off or do you just go with it?
I'm not interested. Yeah. What
You do? तुमको मजे नहीं लेता थोड़े बहुत?
मैं तो लेता हूँ.
मैं भी लेता अगर मैं
I-
no gay person ever hit on me though.
I
No,
तो will I
At a club, even. I mean,
Yeah, never.
okay. It's mainly been at clubs.
Yeah, but I don't go to gay clubs, I guess.
But yeah, I mean, I'm not going to
I
gay
mean
clubs.
gay people go to regular clubs also.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're allowed there.
But I
It's
don't
not like they're
know.
straight clubs. You can't get
Maybe
in if
I'm
you're
just
gay.
not.
You're
the-
gay. Get out.
I guess gay
You know,
gay
you
guys
can't-
are just not into me. I don't know.
Well, this one time in a many persons on one bed situation. One of them one of the
Jeez, bro,
the
what
the
kind
dudes-
of a Hugh Hefner life were you
the
living?
dude wanted to.
Multiple-
He's like, "Can I play with your dick with my foot?" I'm like, "Let's not. Let's not." Yeah, whatever. He
Oh,
just wanted to
wow.
play with my dick with his foot while he was. Anyway,
you were
Right.
at a orgy.
Hmm?
You were at a orgy.
it was only. It was like it was swinging. There's 4 of us, 2 couples. We met on. So they used
Couples is a very strong word.
to be. No, we were. Yeah. Anyway,
Two partners.
2 partners.
joining,
Yeah. So there used to be an app called. So अब उसका ना नाम बदल गया है. There used to be an app called Thrinder.
Okay.
3NDR. So
Wow.
that was for when you wanted to have more than 2 people in a sexual environment. Yes. So they because Tinder sued
Dude,
them
so
for
how did
copyright.
you-
What happened to them?
No, the app still exists. It's called Field now. FEELD.
In a threesome, तुम dynamics क्या पहले figure out करते हो कि first you, don't feel bad. 20 minutes with you, 20 minutes.
पागल है क्या?
The
You wanna
yeah,
make it that
NBA
clinical?
NBA
Bro, have
substitution
you
नहीं
ever
चल रहा है
had
यहाँ पे.
sex? What the fuck?
These are like rolling
I'm just trying to
substitutions
figure
in
it out.
basketball, bro.
Bro, this is not the fucking Leviticus where you
कभी
have
ऐसा नहीं होता
codes
कि
of.
यार like 3 is an odd number. You know,
जैसे
so it's like
Hasidic Jews को होता है ना कि तुम चादर में छेद करके खुदाई करोगे ताकि because you can't have flesh to flesh contact. You know, that's not good. What the fuck?
no, I know.
What?
Yeah, the Hasids have this convention where to impregnate your wife, you know, to consummate the marriage and all that for procreation, all of that, you have a sheet through which you have a hole through which you insert your dicks because you should not, you know, it's not good to tempt the flesh that way, ignite the passions and all of that, and that's how you fuck.
You don't even raw dog to like get
No,
pregnant.
you do raw dog. छेद है उसमें.
हाँ.
तुम चादर नहीं डाल रहे
Right,
घुंड
right.
में,
Oh, right,
tooth
right,
में.
right,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have like a bedsheet made
Oh,
out
yeah,
made out of condom, a latex bedsheet. Well,
Well,
why not? No, but they have weird conventions, man. I don't know if you know this, but Hasidic Jew women, even showing your ankles is
This
not
I know,
allowed.
this I
They
know,
have
yeah.
socks. They even their real hair, they wear wigs.
मतलब essentially इनका 24/7 Halloween चल रहा है.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's,
I mean,
it's one
Crazy.
weird.
पुराने ज़माने में things were very different now. You know, when they came up with these laws, like or whatever.
I mean, like,
पता नहीं.
I mean, मतलब I always give credit to our ancestors. वो भी बहुत smart लोग थे. So
of course.
and like they were just as smart as us, if not smarter. We just have more access to knowledge, na?
But it is a thing that, you know, the more societies develop, the more you know how to lead them.
Right,
And
but
structure rules and norms and, you know, all of that.
yeah, but like from when the Jewish religion and these Abrahamic faiths were created, like they were doing the best, making the best laws that they could for their people in a way, you know. follow.
No, but also, bro, up until the Industrial Revolution, up until men were not involved in either fighting or being physically manual labor or in the fields and shit, literally women couldn't be part of the workforce, right? Because physical strength was not there.
Yeah.
Only in the services economy can they then contribute. Or when industrial manufacturing came into place, could they be part of the workforce? Could they be part of like supply, like, you know, in the what is it called, assembly line and shit like that?
Yes.
And that's obviously that coincides with women's suffrage, right?
Hello.
Women's suffrage only came to play. Hanji, batao.
Why are we not making funny?
Right.
What?
Why are we not making funny?
Pata nahi.
Yeah. I
I
mean,
thought-
sometimes, you know, you just want to just talk.
It's the flow of the conversation, man.
Yeah.
So तू मजाक उड़ा ना.
अबे तू
पता नहीं यार ये तो pressure मत डाल
Blow-
बेंचो मेरी.
Blow them back to the Stone Age, yeah.
Stone Age take us back to Roman times, bro. Put this on. Fucking this giant ass fucking prop you guys bought.
दियो.
Knights Templar. मैं क्यों दूँ?
Shit.
अच्छा मैं दे देता हूँ.
I thought I'd try.
दे दूँ?
Oh हाँ दे दे यार.
Then you owe me one.
I'll owe you 2 यार. देखते हैं यार. मेरा coronation मचा दे. मैं तैयार हूँ.
I crown you.
ओ बेंचो मेरे बैंग्स आगे हो गए.
Yeah. So you can do the hair flip.
एक सेकंड नहीं मेरे यहाँ बैंग्स यार ऐसे मेरे आंखों में से ये बाल आ रहे हैं. अब पहना दे. टेक 2. Thank you dear.
All hail King.
I crown thee, Coxius Maximus Faxius.
Maximus Cox.
It is I, the Maximus of Cox.
Yes. The sucketh of the Maximus of the loudest. The swallowest. Well, actually, he is better at swallowing.
Fact.
Yeah, that competition, that eating challenge did not prove what I wanted it to prove.
Yeah. Well,
Backfired.
it did for us. It reaffirmed some of our beliefs.
Right on. Some of those numbers of people in the closet, huh?
Right. Well, we don't know about that because there's not been a. I mean, I feel like it would be weird for to take a self-reporting poll of, "Are you in the closet?" Because then you're coming out.
Yeah.
Sort of.
But anonymous survey भी तो होते हैं.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
But by
क्या थोड़ा भाई
definition, if
आधार
you're
कार्ड लेके
telling
थोड़ी
them,
survey
yes,
होता
I'm
है.
in the closet. Yeah.
Huh? Yes.
It depends if you are in the closet.
Well, I guess at the very least, it's an intelligence test.
Right.
यार I've never been asked to be on a survey यार. कहाँ होते हैं?
Online होते हैं मुझे नहीं पता यार. मुझे नहीं पता.
Who the fuck knows?
Ask
मिल
someone who does
जाते
this
हैं.
shit. Yeah.
Some people-
Scientist.
Emails आते हैं, I suppose.
Well, it's not. Yeah. Well, it depends on. Yeah, probably a social scientist, not like a hard scientist, right? Hard science.
I mean, हाँ.
Not a material scientist.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Do we know any scientists?
And anthropologists.
I'm something of a scientist myself.
You look more like a fucking Spartan.
Arrgh.
तेरी वो ग्रीक वाली दाढ़ी है ना इसलिए. Dude, in fact तू यही पहन के घुमा कर, तू बेटर लगता है.
I'm sure everyone I know will agree.
Yeah. The less we see of your face, is the better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a field day explaining this to the cops while I drive. But sure, why not?
Dude, on my bike.
Yes.
हेलमेट की जगह मैं ये पहन के जाऊंगा.
By the way,
Okay.
this store has
इसका चालान कैसे काटेंगे?
this store has a bunch of cool helmets.
This is
What is
another.
it called? Young Artisans or something it's called.
Dude,
for anyone
I will
interested,
get
I'll drop a link in the bio. They have some very cool helmets.
I'll get a fucking Centurion helmet and wear it on my bike
They actually do have a Centurion with
Yeah.
the whole
with the feathers or whatever.
yeah,
the,
sort of feather. I feel
the
like-
hair.
Yeah.
बोर का hair होगा या कुछ hair.
You should get a little red
Horse
cape
hair.
also then.
Hmm?
At this point, you should get a little red cape at the back as well.
Red cape?
Cape.
Cape.
तो
Cape,
cape
like
कौन?
Superman or like
Romans
a
capes
warrior
पहनते थे?
cape. Yeah.
Red cape reminds me of Red Riding Hood, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's your brain.
Red cape
Yeah.
से मेरे को Roman
Red
soldier,
Riding Hood
Spartan.
got this Centurion
actually-
helmet. Red
they
Riding
actually
Hood with
have
the
the whole
Centurion helmet.
costume. I think they might have like whole costumes. It's fucking
तो
nuts.
I'm not committing that much. I just want to see if a cop will stop me for a Spartan helmet.
नहीं तो
I'm pretty
युद्ध
sure.
लड़ता
अरे
है ना?
इसमें ऐसा मार्क नहीं है ना, तो technically I can't wear it.
इनके पास पूरे
I'm
armor है.
sure
पूरा
that's
armor
the
है इसका.
problem.
You can buy whole armor.
Oh wow.
You can fight with your neighbors properly.
Oh my, ये क्या
Check-
prices हैं भाई?
Bro, if you wore that and went
It's
out,
cheap, na? It's weirdly cheap. Is it not?
Yeah, for real metal.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
तो ये पहन के घर से निकलेगा ना, तेरा लाठी चार्ज हो जाएगा.
Bro, तो कर लो लाठी चार्ज. I'm covered in लोहा, bro.
Well,
Iron
it's-
Man हूँ मैं.
Yeah. But I don't know if it's like protective. Really
Iron
effectively.
Hussein.
Like
Bro,
it's-
people literally knights wore it to protect themselves.
yeah, but this is steel, na? I mean, with enough force, it would dent and bend.
Yeah.
You would still get damage. I mean, it's really meant to protect you from piercing as
Yeah.
opposed to
Actual blows.
actual physical.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could break a rib easily. Yeah.
Mm,
You could break,
yeah.
you could break bones
It's the
easily.
lethal
But I
shit,
mean,
man.
this is what people wore for thousands of years, man, to protect themselves.
Yeah, and they fucking died in battle, man. They were fucking maimed and shit. They used to break bones and fuck. I mean,
Yeah,
You know?
Fun times, good times.
yeah. Bro, तू नहीं टिकता किसी भी युद्ध में, battle में.
तेरी माँ का भोसड़ा क्यों नहीं टिकता मैं?
Hmm.
I don't know. I just feel like you would have.
By the way, we're literally descended from the warrior class.
Yes.
Who?
Both of us.
Okay.
Kshatriyas, brother.
Right. What am I descended from? Qazis, fucking scholars. तभी मेरी eyesight खराब है.
हाँ भाई, तो तुम्हें हम ही बचा रहे थे
Yeah.
Hmm.
Fine.
और तुम हमें ABCD सिखाते थे.
तभी तो हमारे हाथ थे सब एकदम बड़े बड़े.
हम तुम्हें इस्लाम पढ़ाते थे, तुम युद्ध लड़ते थे.
इस्लाम लगता है हमने अच्छे से पढ़ा नहीं है.
नहीं तुम्हें अच्छा नहीं
हिंदू
लगा, तुम्हें
सरदार
पसंद
बन के
नहीं
रह
आया.
गए.
तुमने कहा हम खुद का कर लेंगे.
सीखो ने मस्त निकाला है ब्रो. Synthetic, synthesize, sorry.
So that's
Syncretism is what I meant to say.
yeah.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Syncretic. Yes,
Shabash.
syncretic. Yes. I do not have the words
Shabash,
tonight. Yes.
Evidently.
Yeah.
तेरे को नींद आ रही है बहन के लोड़े?
Hmm.
नींद नहीं आ रही, but yawn आई.
Alps में मौसम अच्छा है, I hear.
तुम दोनों ने यॉन नहीं पकड़ी, वो फिनोमेना पता है तुम्हें? तो you catch
हाँ,
yawn.
yeah,
yes.
you.
Dude, मैं तो
fuck you.
टीवी के थ्रू पकड़ लेता हूँ.
अबे मैंने
That's
पकड़ लिया अब.
आए चल.
मुझे नहीं आया.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm immune to these
It's an empathy thing.
plebeian.
Empathy thing.
Yeah.
Oh well, I have none of that.
No empathy.
I mean, I just emotionally I'm little,
You're detached.
Little vague. Yeah, my tank has been emptied out.
Empathy out.
Empathied out.
Yeah.
Anything interesting you've been watching lately? What do you consume?
So I'll tell you this new thing I've started doing in the morning.
Okay.
मैं ना फ्रीजर में 2 चम्मच रखता हूँ. ठीक है? Spoons.
I know what a chammach is. Okay.
The fuck is this got
तो
to do with TV?
सुबह मैं वो चम्मच लाता हूँ और फिर अपने आंखों पे ऐसे करके उल्टे यूं ऐसे करके दबा देता हूँ. उससे पफीनेस कम होती है.
But you could just use an ice pack.
आइस पैक तो वो मेरी आईज यार स्पून इज लाइक आई
जो
जेल साइज
जो
का
जेल वाला
आई
होता
का
है,
शेप का होता है.
जो जेल वाला होता है उसको लगाओ, वो तो ठंडा ही रहता है ना.
यार जब चम्मच है घर पे ठंडे ठंडे
ओके ठीक है.
तो उससे ऐसे करके रख
Sure,
लेता हूँ.
sure,
तो मेरी माँ सोचती है तुम कहती कि तुम कीड़े की तरह लग रहे हो.
Oh, she's alone in this. I really didn't. Yeah. Kida, that's interesting, huh? I used to call you Kida.
Yeah, he used to call me before I knew him at all. जब हम कितने साल के थे हम?
Infant में थे हम 3-4.
Fifth, yeah, we were like infant में थे तो we were like
Infant, yeah, but like.
नहीं तूने prep वीवी तक भी बुला रहा था तुम.
हाँ, yeah.
तो
I used to call him Kida because he was so dark.
yeah.
तू पैदाइशी bastard है.
Dude, at 4 years old.
Always, yeah.
At 4 years old, इसने आज तक उस टाइम पे मेरा नाम कभी नहीं पूछा.
Yeah.
बस मेरे को कहता कीड़ा कीड़ा ऐसे करके कुछ कहता था और मैं भाग जाता था.
मैम कीड़ा वॉशरूम गया है.
Bro, I was born a roast comic.
Yeah.
Crazy.
The first thing he said to me was कीड़े.
And by the way, when
What a fucking bully.
when we reunited, like started hanging out in like about 10th grade again.
10th
because,
grade.
because
You
we were
guys.
yes, yeah. Even then I was like, bro, I used to call you Kida, na man. He's like, हाँ मुझे याद है.
I'm surprised that you
मैं भूल ना
remember.
सका.
I remember. It's some things it's just ingrained in
Yeah.
your memory and shit, you know.
But yeah, that was the first thing he ever called me at 4 years old was कीड़े.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
You gotta. It's like a visual distinct, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But वो तो चलता है bro. तेरे को तो पता ही होगा तू इतना काला है.
You relate.
Yeah.
Or relate.
I'm a darkie if there ever was one.
तेरे को भी ऐसे names तो बुलाए होंगे लोगों ने.
हाँ वो मुझे भी जूड़ी पॉप वगैरह सूखी रोटी
सूखी रोटी तो मैं बुलाता था.
हाँ सूखी रोटी बुलाते मेरे को सब.
सुकृत की सूखी रोटी.
Yeah, but because I was.
रोटी तो फूल चुकी है मेरे भाई.
अरे नहीं. By the way, so what was my joke? I was like, I'm more of a stuffed parantha. I used to, you know, be like,
Nice,
buddy, you're like, I'm a chubby guy. I'm a tubber.
But उस टाइम मैं इतना ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव नहीं था. मैं तो बस कहता मोटे मोटे.
Yeah.
That will hit the spot though.
Yeah.
That's the job.
Now that's like a really big deal. उस जमाने में ऐसे ही बोलते थे लोग. मैं वो कहता ये कल्लू, मैं कहता था ये मोटे. ऐसे like it was normal.
Yeah.
Now I feel like people will get offended over that kind of stuff.
Yeah, it's not about that. I think, yeah, I mean, people would get I don't fucking know, man.
तेरे को क्या लग रहा है आजकल भी 10-10 साल के बच्चे एक दूसरे को कल्लू वल्लू बोलते होंगे?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I'm pretty
They are
sure.
bastards also. This generation of 10 saal.
I would imagine that it's more of someone who's
But
just
people
not got the strength of character to take it well, which even for
We-
someone of
I-
our generation would. And if they were to compare it to their parents, our parents might have been like, it's whatever.
भाई तो नॉर्मल है.
Exactly, huh? But their parents, because they're millennial parents, I'm imagining at this point, right? Like, so those people would then take it up, you know, my kid's being harassed, atram patram. I would
So
imagine
then that
that.
value system might be similar, yeah.
Yeah. I
But yeah,
think-
don't assume कि बच्चे के एज से कि पेरेंट्स
But I don't believe in this mollycoddling, man. You know,
Yeah.
mollycoddling this kids and fucking making them
Yeah,
so
outraged about
fragile.
everything. Yeah.
Yeah, so fucking fragile.
Dude,
It is funny because I was having this conversation with a friend yesterday about like, you know, school and stuff, and it's like, dude, DPS as opposed to sending your kid to any of the other, there were smaller class sizes, smaller class sizes, more socially upward, you know.
all rich people.
Yes, exactly.
All rich kids.
Yeah, because you'll end up with a fucking soft son. So I was like, bro, DPS में हर type का.
या तुम हर किस्म के चूतिए से मिलते हो.
Exactly. तुम्हें बस का ड्राइवर के बच्चा मिलेगा, तुम्हें फिर you know टॉप इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के बच्चे मिलेंगे, and that's what you want. Right.
Right.
हाँ.
And I think you need that, man. You know, because that's you getting to know India.
No, and that's also like if you
Yeah,
see
a
these
more
like
rounded
Firangi
person.
kids, a lot of
More
Firangi
rounded
kids are
person,
like
yeah.
quite clueless about. They're not street smart. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
तो वो सीख जाते हैं तुम
कोई अगर देख, अगर मैंने अपने बच्चे को वसंत वैली भेजा तो वो चौथी कक्षा में पहली गाली रंडी नहीं बोलेगा। वो हमारे जैसे निकलेगा। Yes. Yeah.
Asshole बोलेगा।
Yeah.
Oh God.
That'd be weak.
But I'm excited. I'm excited about legal cannibalism.
Huh?
Legal cannibalism.
I'm excited about legal cannibalism, man.
Yum.
Ethical cannibalism.
Right. You need to explain yourself now.
So much protein.
Yeah.
I'm so down.
How would we get to
if
this
you can use a protein
scenario?
cell and add yeast to it, and then the cell replicates, and then you have lab-grown meat, then why not try out a
Because I think
try out a Punjabi munda?
because there's
I want to munch on big.
but
Bengali lass.
isn't there more thrill in going to Taran Taran, taking out your katta and hunting one for yourself?
यार हाँ मतलब
हाँ, तू रोज करता है ना, तेरा भैंचो तेरी मम्मी जाके तेरे लिए मोर ढूंढ के आती है।
आई थिंक कैनिबलिज्म का मजा ही है कि तुम मीट कहाँ से प्रोक्योर करोगे। आई थिंक दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ द फन।
The kill is part of it.
The most dangerous game, right?
Yeah.
It's that famous book about
Yeah, anything that's easy is not worth it. You know what I mean? So it's like अगर आप
I
बस
don't
ऐसे ही
think
मिल
growing
गया
meat in a lab is
इंसान का
particularly easy.
मांस, हाँ
True.
but you know, so
Yeah.
actually going through and committing the crime of murder that's where the thrill is.
Sir.
I feel you. Yeah. Perhaps it's a bit of both, right? It's not just eating the meat.
अब इसने खाना खा लिया ना,
It's more the game, right?
अब इसने खाना खा लिया, his mind is becoming criminal again.
हाँ.
अभी पहले भूख मरा था,
हाँ यार जब भूख लगती है ना तो
गांठ फटी हुई
क्राइम
थी।
करने का कोई मन नहीं करता,
तो
कुछ पंगे लेने का मन नहीं
रोजे
करता।
के महीने तेरा
शांति
कोई
से
भी
जीता हूँ मैं।
रोजे के महीने तेरा कोई भी पुलिस के साथ इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं हुई। अच्छा
Nothing.
रमजान बेस्ट बिहेवियर।
भूखे नंगे रहते हैं तो क्राइम नहीं करते।
हाँ,
तो
तभी
ये
तो
हमारे
गरीबी मत हटाओ।
हमारे
Right.
देश की पॉलिसी
गरीबी
यही
मत
तो
हटाओ,
है।
इनको भूखा नंगा ही रखो।
सिस्टम वर्क्स। देख भिखारी लोग इतने सारे, इसलिए
ठीक है।
खाना नहीं दोगे, एनर्जी नहीं होगा, क्राइम कैसे करेंगे?
थोड़ी ना वो चोरी चला के करते। क्राइम तो
we have figured it out.
क्राइम तो वो खाए वो मोटे पेट वाले करते हैं जो भिखारियों की आंखें में तेल डालते हैं या फिर उनको उनके हाथे वाट काटते हैं। तो वो खाना खाते हैं तो वो क्राइम करते हैं।
हाँ नहीं तो क्या।
बंदा भूखा नंगा जो वो क्या करेगा? वो तो नाचता है तुम्हारे लिए।
वो हिल नहीं पाते, दिमाग चला नहीं पाते, मास्टर प्लान कैसे बनाएंगे?
Yeah.
We have figured it out, bro.
Nice honest existence.
इतने साल से ये पार्टियां लगी हुई हैं भूख हटाने के लिए।
नहीं
हमें तो पता चला कि ये तो भूख
हमारे सामने एग्जांपल है।
कांग्रेस के मैनिफेस्टो में 26वां पॉइंट ये होना चाहिए।
जब से भूखा है ये, तमीज से है ये,
हाँ
लाइन में है ये।
अभी बस
अभी खाना खिला दो,
ईद के बाद देखना मेरे को।
हाँ।
फिर से थाने के चक्कर काटने
नाश्ता खाएगा 10 बजे, 10:30 बजे आतंक दिल्ली शहर में।
आतंक इज you're hitting close to home there, bro.
दहशत इसका हुसैनी।
आतंक इज a little on the nose. Yeah. ऐसी मुकुट पहन के लोगों ने बहुत जुल्म करे मेरे पे।
But you're comfortable wearing this for a long time, huh? Is it fine?
यार मैं भूल गया था एक्चुअली,
Okay.
याद दिलाया कि चल रहा है।
But it works.
But it's not that heavy.
I'm asking from the point of view of, like, you know, logistically when you have to shoot, is it fine?
हाँ ठीक
Okay,
है।
that's not bad.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
मैं सोचा नाक पिसेगी, बट ठीक है।
नाक थोड़ी सी पिसती मेरी भी जब मैंने पहना।
नहीं बट मैंने एंगल ढूंढ लिया अच्छा।
But मेरे तो I think जूड़े की वजह से because it was pushing it forward.
Oh right.
That could have been the
अरे तो
case.
बाल खोलियो ना इसमें।
हाँ वो मैंने देख सकते हैं कि who's going to look best and you know what we
What
need.
is the क्या कैरेक्टर क्या है
I'm not going to reveal the fucking sketch for you right now.
अच्छा
ऐसे थोड़ी।
अच्छा तो the character
तो ऑडियंस के लिए क्या कुछ छोड़ता है ना हमको कुछ।
who it is important मतलब।
Yeah.
जेनेरिक कैरेक्टर नहीं है, एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है भाई। एक्स्ट्रा से याद आया,
It is though. It is part. It's a sketch that he's not the main character in. It's just one shot.
Oh really?
It's just one shot to showcase the plight of the other character. But yeah.
Yeah, okay.
You were saying something.
और बाकी कपड़े
बनाएंगे कुछ
आउटफिट।
It'll give something away. That's why. Yeah.
Okay. समझ गया।
Yeah.
तो मैं क्या कह रहा था, एक्स्ट्रा की बात करता। हाँ मैं ये कह रहा था कि मेरे को ना बचपन में कोई एक्टर बनना था, बट फिर मेरे को पूरी जिंदगी मेरे को ऐसे लोगों ने कल्लू बुलाया है तो मेरी कॉन्फिडेंस की धज्जियां उड़ गई। तो मेरे को लगा कि
नाइजीरिया की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बूम कर रही है बाय द वे।
हाँ तो सुन तो बेसिकली कहाँ की?
नाइजीरिया।
ब्रो तूने देखा है उनका सामान काम उनका? ब्रो इट्स लाइक
इज इट गुड?
नो
इट्स वेरी बैड।
इट्स वर्स देन बॉलीवुड। बॉलीवुड का मजाक उड़ाते हैं ना कि कट द सेम कट ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन विद लाइक ग्लास शैटरिंग एंड
स्टफ। Oh, that's amazing.
They have उनका और भी ज्यादा।
Have you evaluated some prospects for distribution then?
For Nigerian content, no.
Okay.
I don't think there's a market for it outside of Nigeria.
That makes sense.
I think India could be the market.
Maybe I just read like a very leftist post about Nigeria's booming film industry and shit, because that's
They
what I
are
remember
probably
reading
spending
something
money
like
on it. They are probably spending money on it. But yeah, I mean, they'll figure it out eventually. Nigeria's, they have a lot of, they're kind of like India in the past a little bit.
I mean,
They're figuring it
it's a West African economy, and they're they have some.
Yeah, but
prospects.
they're doing better
That's
than
huge.
their neighbors, I guess.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah.
compared to the rest of the sub-Saharan.
Yeah.
region.
Africa.
Yeah.
Dude, देखो ये पता है कि the Sahara Desert used to be like they used to be
Green
like
forest.
forested.
Yeah.
The whole thing.
Yes.
What the hell happened?
हाँ.
Like not that long ago it used
अरे
to be
जब
forest.
सब वो पूरा कॉन्टिनेंट
With the river-
Glacial ages बोलते हैं ना उसे. So right now we're in a mini ice age.
Kalyug.
Yes.
It's the same thing, one of the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're in a mini ice age. This is
सतयुग में dinosaurs return.
by the way,
Jurassic World.
so the myth about the Holy Grail and
Indiana Jones.
The what?
Huh?
But आगे बोल.
Lancelot and the 12 kings who went out to look for the Holy Grail and all. This is during the last this happened when this was like a very cold period and there was no vegetation growing and shit, so they were trying to these myths relate to like climatic, like larger climatic periods where life because in colder temperatures you can't
So
grow.
global warming is just a phase.
Well,
Global warming उसको बोलते नहीं ना आजकल, तभी तो
Huh?
they call it climate change. Right.
Oh, right.
It's not a technically accurate term.
Oh shit.
Because technically we're in a mini ice age. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
दिल्ली में 40 हो रहा है बहन जो मिनी आइस एज कहाँ लौड़ा मेरा.
Yeah. I definitely prefer the cold
Yes.
over the summer.
Like
Otherwise मैं wardrobe में कुछ यूज ही नहीं कर पाता. इतनी सारी जैकेट ले रखी हैं, पहनने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता.
Okay. It's a fashion thing. It's not just
नहीं मतलब यार वैसे भी वेदर से मेरे को क्या फर्क पड़ता है, मैं तो अंदर ही रहता हूँ मोस्ट.
exactly. Yeah.
समर में ठंड होती है मेरे कमरे में, विंटर में भी ठंड होती है कमरे में.
Okay. Very exciting.
Insightful.
अच्छी बात है.
सॉरी.
हाँ.
अच्छा तो मैं ये कह रहा था कि मेरे को एक्टर बनना था, फिर मैं बिकॉज मैं कालू मैंने नहीं किया.
तो एक्टर है.
That reminded me, but उसके बाद all of a sudden like Vasipur thing happened and all these other like
तेरी
it wasn't
जगह
a big
नवाजुद्दीन
deal. So
को
I
ले
was
लिया
like,
उन्होंने.
यार,
नवाजुद्दीन
maybe
हाँ.
मेरे को जाके स्ट्रगलिंग कर लेनी चाहिए थी कुछ साल बॉम्बे में.
कि
Maybe my
नवाजुद्दीन की
life would
जगह
be
हम
different
होते.
today.
अरे
अरे, तेरे को पता है नवाजुद्दीन भी एक्स्ट्रा हुआ करता था. मुन्ना भाई में
I know वो ट्रेन स्टेशन पे चोर होता है
हाँ.
जिसको थप्पड़ मारता है.
या
पता है?
थप्पड़ मारता है.
मेरे को पता है.
And dude, I didn't know that. I was thinking about Munna Bhai MBBS and Arshad Varsi. So I was watching some clips of Arshad Varsi. And then I suddenly see, तो यार नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी के थप्पड़ मार रहा है. मैं कहा ये क्या देख रहा हूँ मैं? मुन्ना भाई MBBS में ये वही है क्या? And then I found out कि that's him.
Yeah.
Big.
Yeah. So and then हाँ तो anyway तो then I realized हाँ तो अभी आजकल मेरे को like regret हो रहा है कि मैं एक्टिंग ट्राई नहीं करी.
तू है भाई एक्टर.
कहाँ हूँ
तू
क्या?
मेथड एक्टर है मेरे भाई. तू ट्रबल्ड यंग इंडियन यूथ का रोल प्ले कर रहा है पूरी शिद्दत से. तू भाई हाँ यार.
यार तूने मेरे को
तू
यूथ
नहीं है तो
बोला.
कौन है.
थैंक यू.
हाँ बुढ़े तेरे पे दया आ रही थी तभी बोला मैंने. बैठो अंकल. क्या हाल है आपके जोड़ों के.
बट यार ये तुम क्या कल्चरल अप्रोप्रिएशन कर रहे हो? तुम अपना हमारे कोई मुकुट लाओ, इंडियन मुकुट.
जा सरोजनी नगर से लेकर जा.
क्या पहनते थे हमारे योद्धा?
कच्छा.
कच्छा तो नहीं पहनते थे भाई.
कच्छा नहीं पहनते थे, कमांडो लड़ते थे. दैट्स क्रेजी.
मतलब कच्छा पहनते थे.
तू इंसिस्ट कर रहा है तो आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट नो.
नो बट समबडी आई
ऐसे
डोंट नो.
ऐसे उनका सब सामान उड़ रहा है लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर जब वो तलवार चला रहे. आई एम श्योर
नहीं
कच्छा
नहीं
पहनते थे.
पक्का कच्छा पहनते हो.
हाँ.
या लंगोट टाइप का.
But
मामला बिगड़ सकता है.
But think about what if you were to isolate a protein from pussy and then you make like a actual lab grown fleshlight? Well, that would.
यम.
तू तो बहुत ही आगे सोच रहा है. मतलब
I mean, but then फिर हाँ जापान में
on the
चलेगा भाई.
basis-
जापान में चलता है ये सब.
What is the status vis-a-vis fucking that
Dude,
and losing
necessity
your
is the necessity
and
is the mother of invention, bro.
Yeah,
What is
exactly.
अगर तेरे को इतनी जरूरत है
नहीं मुझे नहीं मैं तो कह रहा हूँ कि like this is a very well documented phenomena in Japan where young men just don't want to go out on dates and they prefer their AI companions and
अच्छा that's also because dude वहाँ पे
I have a
people do go out a lot in Japan but I guess a lot of them are tourists but also वहाँ पे you can like hire a girlfriend hire a
companions.
hostess or like the host culture over there so like actual like traditional relationships are not very valued.
I have an academic question though.
Yes.
You're asking the wrong people.
We shall endeavor.
Yeah.
Vis-a-vis this lab grown so from real human flesh, no fleshlight
तो
बने.
टॉपिक ऐसे एक टॉपिक चेंज करते हो फिर दूसरा टॉपिक
नहीं उसी की बात कर रहे हैं.
दिमाग में ख्याल है मैंने बोल दिया और क्या.
हाँ तो अब हम इस पे हैं अब इस पे तो रहने दे.
तो चलो.
Don't question it, man. Flow. Be like water.
Yes and.
Do you know flow?
Yeah, Bruce Lee.
Be like water, bro.
Okay. तो ये real human उससे synthesized है मतलब.
No, I mean the research right now is going to be for animals, but I'm saying
तो अगर ये flashlight बनेगा.
The idea is
a certain kind of animal.
अगर ये flashlight बनेगा, what is the status of that vis-a-vis virginity?
Oh right, that's interesting.
If you put it in that, asking for a friend.
Right.
Jesus. तुम्हारा दिमाग कहाँ चलता है भाई?
Sure, I mean I guess it counts, and for you I think you should give it a shot. I think it would give you a lot more confidence.
Perhaps.
Yeah. To have firstly,
If I drill that first.
Yeah, and then you can.
I might be able
then
to.
you can contemplate getting married.
Yeah, just marry your flashlight.
You're a lucky guy. You can marry 4.
I can't. Who said I can?
Oh yeah.
Legally not anymore. Yeah.
I can't. Which is a good thing.
तुम क्या बातें कर रहे थे अभी कुछ जब मैं यहाँ पे नहीं था?
मैं तो कह रहा था कि मेरे को एक्टर बनना है.
और इसको बुड्ढा कह रहे थे.
तो तेरे को बना देंगे एक्टर तो टेंशन मत ले. Will you? I mean, dude,
sketches में तो करेगा ही.
Opportunities are all.
ये टाइम किसके पास है?
अबे फिर रो मत बहन के लोड़े. फिर घर बैठ.
बकरा खाता रहे. मेरे सपने हैं पर मेरे सपनों के लिए टाइम नहीं है. तो पूरे अपने आप हो जाए तो
मेरे को बनना है.
I mean I guess if Karan जो Dharma Productions comes knocking at my door, I'll do it.
और शूटिंग ना मेरे घर पे होनी चाहिए.
Yeah. If they want to make.
मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
If they want to make Dhoom 4 with me and the bike, I'll do it.
They'll have to shoot with him during Ramadan only in his lunch break.
तो
रोजे में खाता नहीं है ना.
मैं 28 साल की उम्र में जाके एक्स्ट्रा बनूं.
मतलब एक्स्ट्रा कर. You're surrounded by professionals, bro. Listen. There are projects in the pipeline. I'm not going to toot my horn before they materialize, but there's going to be opportunities going forward, and you will of course start with smaller roles. But if that is something that you really want to pursue, there's going to be opportunities. Yeah.
चल देखी जाएगी.
Yeah.
देखी जाएगी. I'll be like water, flow with it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
that's the life. Oh, that's funny. By the way, so Rushabh was here for a project. जिसने इसका डायरेक्ट करा है, cinematographer जो था आया था. Goa ka, है ना?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. You met him. Anyway, so he was here. He's doing recce for a project, and Ajitab is production guy on that one. Yeah.
What? The Ajitab I know?
Yes, from our school. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't know why I just put that random fact up because I was
thinking. No, that's sick. That's sick.
Film space, yeah. तो कुछ चुटकुला सुना यार.
संता and बंता were going on motorcycle and fighting for window seat.
And fighting for window seat.
Good one.
That is a good one.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah. Shit. Wasn't expecting that.
You were not.
No. मैं कहा अभी मेरी उतरने वाली है. अभी full.
जब तू दूसरों का टेपता है ना जोक तो फनी होता है. Otherwise नहीं.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. और बताओ.
भाई साहब फोन देख रहे हैं?
मैं देख रहा हूँ कि मेरे पास कुछ किस्से हैं कुछ something fucking do
something fucking.
अबे
do you have something fucking?
तुम्हें ये बात पता है कि जो वो है ना रॉबर्ट डेनीरो. He's how old is he? Like fucking 80 or some shit.
82 or 83. He's just had another kid, no?
He has a kid that's less than a year old.
Bro, क्या
daughter that's 10 months old. At 83.
That's pretty.
Can you imagine? This girl will be 5 years old when she finally starts to develop memories, and her dad will be 80, like almost 90 years old,
or gone,
or dead. So it's like, bro, she's going to know her dad as well as I know him through the movies. You know what I mean?
That's pretty nuts.
Bro,
Yeah.
if this guy chose to make a career as a sperm donor, Jesus Christ.
Bro जो भी
That's
इसकी
arguably the only field he might have done even better in.
जिस भी औरत ने इसके साथ करा है ना उसने बहुत सही फंसाया है because now that she has a kid she'll get a lot more from him after he dies from his
Maybe वो
estate.
फंसना चाह रहा था.
अब उसको क्या फर्क पड़ता है bro he's 82 है you think at that age people give a fuck
वो कहता तो है कि he does.
What's your favorite malpropism?
हाँ
Malpropism where you know like people say people call nuclear. It's become so popular that people actually say nuclear. Yeah.
instead of nuclear
Yes.
मैं तो नहीं सुनता ज्यादा न्यूक्लियर.
यार पता नहीं मैं तो देसी आदमी हूँ
बहुत लोग बोलते हैं
मैं देसी
I mean especially the West. Yes. Yeah.
हाँ.
Yes. Yeah. People
Wow.
say
I've never heard that
अरे चूती है ना वहाँ पे इसलिए.
so something like that. What's your favorite one?
तो मैं देसी आदमी हूँ शुद्ध हिंदी में बात करता हूँ तो तुम लोग जैसे जोमेटो करते रहते हो मैं तो जमाटर बोलता हूँ क्योंकि हमारी भाषा में तो जमाटर होता है
That's a good malpropism. How about you?
मेरा वह दिमाग नहीं चल रहा.
You know what my favorite is?
Malapropism.
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous.
Indigenious. Yeah.
People who go from homogeneous to homogeneous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Bro, but actually, that is
indigenous.
something that I could easily hear an Indian say.
People say
And,
Indians क्या Westerners बोलते हैं bro.
But I've heard
No, but
instead
as
of
a joke
indigenous.
बोलते हैं या just
No,
No.
they mean it. It's the thing where it becomes so popular that
Oh,
it just becomes the
wait.
way another. It's like an
I'll tell
alternate
you.
way to say it.
Now I got one.
Yeah.
Development.
Development, but that's an Indianism.
But yeah, it's development.
Yes, yeah, that's an Indianism though.
develop.
It is-
I've
still-
heard
it
I've
still
heard
is
white
like-
people, it's like Eastern Europeans or whatever say.
Oh
Like
well,
that.
okay. So well, the non-native speakers is I guess it's different because I'm talking about like the Westerners actually saying, but I guess it still counts as a malpropism.
Right.
But
But it's
there's
more
still,
localized. Yeah.
yeah, it is. It's also because it's not native language.
Malproposism.
Malpropism.
इसने इसी का बना दिया. इसने उसी का बना दिया.
Malproposism.
Malproposism. दिया ले.
Like, yeah, I'm a man of words. I like big words.
Yeah.
Like Donald
Good
Trump.
for
Hmm.
Yeah.
I also
Sorry.
need to fucking open go to get through the thesaurus. Thesaurus.
Theosaurus is a malproposum.
Thesaurus.
Theosaurus बोलते हैं लोग.
Theosaurus बोलते थे काफी लोग.
कैसे लोग?
But that's not really that funny though. So gotta come up with a better one.
The Saurus from the Monozoic era. अबे shut up यार.
Bronto.
Brontosaurus. Anyway, हमारा favorite dinosaur क्या है?
T-Rex. I hate what they're doing to
T-Rex,
the T-Rex.
bro. That is such a basic bitch
no,
answer.
I hate
Velociraptor.
I was going to say Velociraptor.
There you go, man.
Pterodactyl.
Ivan, Velociraptor.
Good
Pterodactyl.
I was going to say Velociraptor as well.
The Velociraptor has to be.
I just hate what they're doing to the T-Rex. They keep this revisionist history movement on the T-Rex. Every 2-3 years, they say something new. कि नहीं इसका ये नहीं था, ये vegetarian था, ये कोई hunt नहीं कर सकता था, ये चूतिया था, ये वो what they
Yeah,
keep
I have not
making,
kept up with it.
they keep degrading the T-Rex.
Bro,
Okay,
T-Rex
you're
का मेरे को
following
तो
along
लगता
very
है
closely, huh? With the
Huh?
dinosaurs, huh?
मतलब जब हम बचपन when we were kids, it was the scary dinosaur,
Well, it's the nature of scientific discovery and
yeah,
knowledge
but they
and
can't fucking.
They literally can. That's literally the point of science.
भाई fictional character थोड़ी
Science
है
is
भाई
not set
तेरा.
in stone, man.
देख अगर actually दिल से बोल रहे हो ना माँ चुदा.
ठीक है.
Bro, T-Rex के साथ I think गलती हुआ है because I feel like उसने किसी और animal के हाथ लगा दिए उस पे. इतने छोटे हाथ क्यों होंगे
हाँ.
उसके?
वो तो हिला भी नहीं सकता.
इतने बड़े पैर, इतना बड़ा मुंह.
वो हिलाएगा
उतने से
कैसे
हाथ.
actually?
Yeah.
ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. ये हिलाएगा कैसे? हिला ही नहीं
अबे तेरे को
सकता
बस
इतना
हिलाने की पड़ी है, फ्लैशलाइट की पड़ी है साले.
सिर्फ
घर की
हिलाने की नहीं पड़ी,
हवस
also
के
हिलाने
पुजारी?
की पड़ी है.
कहीं और दिमाग लगा लिया कर. कुछ अचीव कर लेगा लाइफ.
T-Rex में लगा रहा था तुम.
किस पे?
T-Rex में लगा रहा था.
हाँ. मैं T-Rex की लंड में लगा रहा था.
तू दिमाग मत लगा ना, कुछ अचीव कर लेगा लाइफ में. तू दिमाग लगा रहा छोड़ दे.
अगर मैं दिमाग ज्यादा लगाऊंगा तो जेल में निकलूंगा.
और नहीं तो क्या. तू भूखा रहे, तू अपने दिमाग को कोई जूस मत दे, तू सोच मत. और भाई
What if it's Bhakt factor instead of X factor and it's just a bunch of Hindus trying to outdo the Hindu-ness and do extreme Hindu tasks?
तो चल तो रहा है.
Bhakt factor.
चल तो रहा है.
Like,
Bhakt factor.
like a reality TV show.
हाँ
The most
बस.
भक्त wins.
What was that? What would be the tasks? I'm just reading off my notes. All like these are my fucking thoughts that come into my. What would you do on Bhakt factor, man? To show कि तू हिंदू है बहन चोद.
6000 कदम चढ़ के
मंत्र
मंदिर
बनाना
तक.
है. मंत्र मेकिंग कंपटीशन.
Mantra making. Craft your own mantra.
ऐसा कर सकते
Do
हो?
you have the authority? Like, yeah, exactly.
सब कुछ इन्वेंट होता है ब्रो. दैट संतोषी माज इन्वेंटेड इन दिस 1960s यार.
it's not necessarily the case. Incantations, you know, frequencies, what they are supposed to elicit physiologically, it's crafted for a purpose.
लेकिन बनाते हैं लोग मंत्र चंद्र, होता है.
Okay.
तू बन जा
But of
भाई.
course we're looking
New
at
cults and this and whatever come up, don't they make their own mantra?
Okay, anyway, the point is not for like a serious task. We have to make it comical.
Right.
Yes.
हाँ तो मंत्र.
It's a fucking, what is it? Swimming competition में क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Sprint.
Swimming competition sprint थोड़ी होगा. एक पानी में एक लैंड पे.
तो Olympic swimming में what do you call the thing? Race.
400 मीटर स्प्रिंट ही होगा I guess.
I suppose.
Okay. Sprint, but it's Gaumutra.
हाँ नहीं.
What if the tub is Gaumutra? No, you got to prove you're Hindu, na?
हाँ तो भाई तो.
What if is that? Okay.
I want to stay out of this.
Oh man, you're all such pussies, man. Let's fucking go, bro.
क्या bro? देखो क्यों लड़ाई करनी है सबसे?
लड़ाई क्या कर रहे हैं? We're just it's a thought experiment.
I just don't know if the Gaumutra thing is making me laugh.
Okay, fine.
It's just making me very concerned.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, what? Okay, other things then.
बंदा सुपरमैन ही बन जाएगा.
Robert, स्विमिंग थोड़ी कहते हैं, उसको तो पीना होता है.
अबे
तभी तो कह रहा हूँ.
But you can't do this. If the guy, if anyone swims there, वो तो सुपरमैन बन जाएगा. उसको इतने पावर शक्तियाँ मिल जाएगी. You can't. That's too dangerous. You can't unleash these people on humanity.
The next Captain America की जगह बनेगा Captain India.
भारत.
Captain भारत, sorry. India is what? Not what we say now. और क्या हो गया?
Dude, that was the whole thing ना. अभी जो पहले हुआ था, जब G20 हुआ था, उन्होंने Republic of भारत बोल दिया था instead of India. India's been the name, bro. Even within the boundaries of the nation has been the name, you know. Yeah. South of the Indus. Okay, you're fucking boring, dude.
Who's fucking a boring dude?
You are.
Yeah.
You're not very exciting, are you?
I am. I fucking literally brought up Bhakt Factor, bitch.
मैं एक कैब वाले से मिला. मैंने अपनी मॉम के लिए कैब बुलाई थी. तो वो मेरी मॉम को थोड़ी दूर लेके गया, फिर वापस आ गया. मेरे को फ़ोन कर रहा था बिकॉज मेरा नंबर था उस पर. एंड वो कह रहा है कि मेरी बीवी का ये हो रहा है, ऑपरेशन हो रहा है, मरने वाली है, ये वो. मैं कहा क्या हो गया भाई? तो मैं उससे, तो जब वापस आया वो, तो मेरी मॉम पिस ऑफ हो के अंदर चली गई. मैंने कहा क्या हो गया? तो वो कहता कि मेरी बीवी का अपेंडिक्स नहीं है, गॉल ब्लैडर नहीं है और यूट्रस भी नहीं है. सब
बेच आई बहन की लोड़ी.
मतलब तीनों चीज़ें निकाल दी. मतलब उसके शरीर में कुछ बचा ही नहीं. मेरे को भी
क्या बात कर रहे
भाई? सही में
बीड़ी पिएगा?
नो अपेंडिक्स, नो गॉल ब्लैडर, नो यूट्रस. हु इन दिस ड्राइवर आई मेट, उसकी वाइफ का.
Okay.
नो अपेंडिक्स, नो गॉल ब्लैडर, नो यूट्रस.
Oh well, that's tough.
ब्रो तो इन चीजों का कोई
why?
काम नहीं. ब्रो कुछ बीमारी होगी हर चीज में और निकला है.
बेच के आ गए यार, गरीब लोग हैं.
नहीं, appendix is a pretty standard removal. Uterus, I mean, I guess it's for, I don't know why. I'm sure there is something. I don't know, fucking know, man.
मेरे को तो ये बोला, and gall bladder.
And how do you even get to have these fucking intimate conversations with the fucking Uber guy, man? I don't get it.
Why are you asking about his wife's body, man?
I'm like, वो
अबे मैंने
पता क्या होता है? वो मुझसे पूछता है OTP, मैं उसको बताता हूँ नंबर,
और हम चलते हैं. गाड़ी चलती है. नहीं, मैं तो करता हूँ.
तुम समझोगे नहीं. I drove Uber for 2 years almost. For 2 years I was an Uber driver.
Okay.
तो
yeah, I mean, now I'm gonna be fucking, you know, like one of those people who is very class conscious, but like in the US, it is a middle class guy who actually would have like a fair amount in common with, and you could have a conversation. For some of them, it's like a gig. But with the drivers here, I mean,
it's not because of that. The reason I was questioning him because
I thought it again, huh?
The reason I was questioning him was because I thought he was lying to me. वो कह रहा है मेरी बीवी बीमार है, मेरे को जाना है. मैं कहा क्या हो गया? कहता है मेरी बीवी को ये है, वो बीमार है, आप उससे बात कर लीजिए. मैं आई वाज लाइक नहीं, बट मतलब उनको प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तो फिर मेरे को कहने लगा उनका अपेंडिक्स नहीं है, गॉल ब्लैडर नहीं है, यूट्रस नहीं है.
बट तेरे को चूतिया बनाया तो बन गया. He's like क्या? He's telling you, it's like बच्चा स्कूल नहीं जाना चाह रहा. ठीक है मैम, मैं बीमार हूँ, क्या हुआ? तो मेरा अपेंडिक्स नहीं है, गॉल ब्लैडर नहीं है, यूट्रस, तीनों चीजें नेम कर. तेरा हलवा बनाया गया साले, तेरे को कुछ नहीं पता.
आई मीन आई गेस, बट अगर वो इतनी मेहनत कर रही उसने, तो मैंने कहा भाई चले जा फिर, ठीक है.
अगर उसकी ये हालत थी ना, तो उस ड्राइवर को बहुत पहले चले जाना चाहिए था.
नहीं, उसको भी जाना चाहिए था.
तेरे साथ पॉइंट भी कि उसको तेरे साथ होना ही नहीं चाहिए था. उसके डेथ बेड पे उसके साइड पे ऑलरेडी होना चाहिए था.
Yeah, anyway, but it's not about him, bro. The point is कि like ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हैं डॉक्टर लोग कि भाई कुछ सब कुछ निकाल दिया.
कोई कारण
तो क्या?
होगा ऐसे थोड़ा कि
खराब माल
अबे!
रखते के अंदर.
मे बी
बेच दिया होगा डॉक्टर भाई.
Organ
वही तो
market.
मैं कह रहा था स्टार्ट से. बेच
ऑर्गन
दिया.
मार्केट. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग. यहाँ पे इंडिया में भी होता होगा, आई एम श्योर यार.
यार यहाँ पे पता है बस
वो थी ना वो मूवी अंधाधुन में होता है ना, उसको ऑर्गन का सीन नहीं होता. देखी तूने अंधाधुन?
मैंने देखी है बट थोड़ा थोड़ा धुंधला सा है.
वो भी
मुझे ये याद है वो ब्लाइंड है, वो पियानो बजाता है, और तबू थोड़ी सी वाला है, और ज्यादा नहीं याद.
interesting. Yeah, even I remember just about that much, and I remember even Radhika Apte is in it, I believe.
हो यार वो ना हर एक टाइम पे वो हर प्रोजेक्ट में. So
Interesting.
peek around the corner, fucking Radhika Apte is standing there, bro, like, you know.
तू क्या देख रहा है आजकल? भैंस मैंने से पूछा तू देख क्या रहा है आजकल? कहता है मैं चम्मच डालता हूँ आंखों में.
हाँ,
ये पूछा तूने?
मैंने पूछा था व्हाट आर यू वाचिंग दीस डेज? यू फकिंग से कि मैं
आज चूत के पट्टे. तूने कभी जवाब ही नहीं दिया इस बात का.
फ्रीजर में चम्मच रखता हूँ, आंखों में लगाता हूँ.
Recently मैंने वो देखा था The Viking.
And I even asked how is it relevant.
Yeah.
और इसने और हमें बना गया भाई.
यार देख मैं प्रॉम्प्ट तो सुनता नहीं हूँ, मैं तो बस अपनी बातें करता हूँ.
अच्छा, तूने वाइकिंग्स देखी?
हाँ.
जुगलबंदी.
ठीक है, हो गया.
Good. How was the show? I mean, what is that?
I liked it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Great review.
How about you?
I actually don't know what I watched last. I watched this live action wala Avatar Last Airbender का जो series है.
Oh.
Because I used to watch the animated wala, no, when it came.
Avatar the Airbender.
Yeah, Last Airbender. तो now book 1 का.
Everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked.
हाँ वही.
वही बचपन में देखता था.
That accent is slightly different, but
Prince Zuko.
Everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked.
Fire Nation attacked.
Everything changed.
Everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked.
नहीं वो इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं वो तो. Oops.
But anyway, so uska Netflix has done an 8-episode live action for part 1 of the 3 parts.
Interesting.
So मतलब जो season 1 था जैसे book 1, so they've done it on
The Water Kingdom.
हाँ, book 1 Water, correct. They've done live action Netflix. It's decent. It's good.
Yeah, I mean, dude. Same. I liked it as a kid, but अब मैं फिर से तो नहीं देखूँगा.
The movie was shit.
मेरा favorite वो था यार उसपे. मेरा favorite उसमें वो था Prince Zuko. याद है तेको?
हाँ याद है.
He was my favorite.
Yeah, but his uncle was my favorite.
Oh yeah, Iroh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but M. Night Shyamalan made the Last Airbender, the live action movie. Did you know about that?
I know about the movie. I didn't know.
M. Night Shyamalan Dong.
Yeah, terrible.
Oh, by the way, his daughter is now making a movie that's going to be out soon, next year or something like that.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. I think she's already made it. It's going to be out next year. Yes.
Nice.
Amazing.
But no, I've never seen a single Avatar, whatever, anime or movie or.
तू बचपन भी anime नहीं देखता था?
I've never been to cartoons, man. It's not a thing that I've like.
है जो इतना बड़ा खुद शीशे में रोज देखो सुबह सुबह कार्टून ही कार्टून.
तभी तो उसका मन भर गया.
As a kid, I used to read books.
Yeah.
Still do, but like now I like to consume live action fiction. And I was noticing this weird thing. I don't know. You probably have seen The Talented Mr. Ripley?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know the premise. Okay.
What?
Is that
I know the premise.
Is that Jim Carrey or something?
No. That is Matt Damon, Jude Law, and Gwyneth Paltrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So they made. Did you watch Saltburn?
No.
Basically the same movie.
Oh.
And now they made Ripley, which is a TV series, mini-series, Netflix pay. Of course, the same shit.
Yeah,
what's going on in the...
They recycle like things that worked in the past.
It's, it feels to me
like... It's easier to get funding for stuff like that when you can say that it's based on something that actually...
No, Saltburn is not explicitly the same thing, but it's very similar. The characters
it's a proven concept, So...
I understand.
It's easier for investors to get on board with something like that.
I understand that. But it just reminded me of the moment where, that one year where... White House Down and Olympus Has Fallen came out the same year.
Yeah.
Two movies about the White House being blown up and the president and this one guy are fighting it, and one of them was Channing Tatum and fucking... What's the fucking guy?
I don't remember.
Fucking... The guy who's a rapper also, man. Fuck.
Childish Gambino?
Huh?
Common.
No.
Childish Gambino?
No.
The Game. What does he look like? Oh, Ice Cube.
No, he's a skinny black guy, man. He's really fucking...
Ludacris.
Also a comic.
Ludacris.
No. How am I blanking on that name? Anyway. And the other one was like Gerard
Chris
Butler.
Rock.
Gerard Butler.
He's just naming black guys now.
No.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Barack Obama.
I don't know why, but like J is popping up in my head.
Nelson Mandela.
हाँ
J-
अबे look it up.
Yeah,
इतने
J
का
आ रहा है
दिमाग क्या लगाते हो?
Yeah. And the other one was Gerard Butler, and what's that fucking other guy? I forget his name.
Gerard Butler is with the G.
हाँ, but Gerard Butler
I'm
is not a
not
black
joking.
rapper and comedian, na? At least not yet.
You don't know how he identify. Yeah, there we go.
You don't know what race he chooses to be.
अबे यहाँ पर network उसने
I must have named the guy, bro. I'm pretty sure.
No, you haven't.
Oh yeah, what's his name then? Bitch.
क्या क्यों लड़ रहे हो?
ऐसे ही मजा आ रहा है. मैं यार हमें
Jamie Foxx. See, I was right.
Oh, Jamie Foxx.
Of course.
Jamie Foxx rapper थोड़ी है.
He has rapped,
He's an amazing singer.
but he has rapped also.
He's yeah.
अच्छा जो भी यार.
I didn't know him as a rapper. He played Ray Charles in Ray 2004.
yeah.
That's what he got the Oscar for Best Actor for.
Yeah.
Actually, I haven't seen that movie now.
I haven't seen it either. I've been meaning to see it.
It's like, you know.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
How is it?
I mean, I thought it was boring, but it was good. I
Are you into that music?
I mean, sometimes, yeah. I can appreciate it for sure.
I haven't even heard it. His music.
Ray Charles,
Ray Charles is like
you've
OG
probably
Stevie
heard it.
Wonder, just because he's also blind and black.
Yeah, of course, everybody says that. Compares him to Stevie.
Okay. Nice. तो मैं तो थक गया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि क्या मजाकिया निकालूं अपने नोट्स में से.
तू ज्यादा सोच रहा है.
अच्छा.
फैल
Don't
बस.
force it.
फैल.
फैल जाओ.
दिमाग नहीं लगाना.
आंखें बंद कर रहा हूँ मैं.
हैं? गोटे छेड़ दूंगा तेरे. खबरदार.
Okay.
आंखें बंद कर रहा हूँ मैं.
मेरे कुक ने वो बनाई है शीर.
शीर. मल.
सेवइयां.
Oh.
Interesting. I never knew it was called Sheer also. Yeah.
I know what Shira is.
That's not the same.
Yeah, exactly.
I think
that's what
I don't know, must be a UP thing.
Yeah.
Because मैं UP का हूँ ना.
तेरी family UP की है यार.
तू पालम विहार का है.
मैं भी UP का हूँ. I know Allahabad like the back of my hand.
प्रयागराज.
Dude,
Yeah, stop it.
I know New York like the back of my hand. That does not make me from New York.
But
I don't even know the back of my hand like the back of my hand. That doesn't make it not the back of my hand, okay?
Good one. Ha open to the.
तो दूसरा.
yeah.
Yeah. True. तो मेरी भी क्लास पता है कल 4 बंदे आ गए थे फाइनली.
कल 4 बंदे
4 बंदे आए मेरी क्लास में.
आए फिर और अच्छा
2 और आए. Bro, what a fucking what is it? It's a loss making business. What is this?
पता नहीं
What do they keep
बैच.
doing,
अरे
man?
they get lots of इनका कोई स्टैंडिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है इनके साथ मस्ती तो वो फंड करते हैं उनको एंड दे हैव टू आई गेस विद इन बजट कंडक्ट सर्टेन थिंग्स. ओनस इज ऑन देम टू डू देयर थिंग. अब वो यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आएंगे तो व्हाई डज द कंपनी एक्चुअली केयर आल्सो. दे जस्ट हैव टू डू व्हाट देयर
Yeah, they
टास्क
haven't
इज.
found the right incentive structure to actually
Not at all.
provide any real value.
I'll tell you what the right incentive structure is. जब मैं गया था उनको लास्ट भैंजो अंताक्षरी खिलवाई थी ना बड़ों को तो उसमें they have like 4 frats अपने आप को हॉगवर्ड समझते हैं तो बटे हुए हैं 4 उसमें.
उसमें flat points मिलते हैं.
तो फ्रैट पॉइंट्स उन्होंने अंताक्षरी को
तो
क्या
that's
कर
not the
दिया.
right incentive structure.
बट सुन तो उसमें 20 कंटेस्टेंट सारे पहुंच गए. ऑडियंस में भी 30 लोग आ गए तो मतलब 50 लोग थे वहां पे.
But
sort of
Antakshari is naturally fun and it's also a group thing as opposed to
बट बिकॉज उसमें पॉइंट का सीन था तो दे
इसमें
वर
भी points
इन्वेस्टेड इन
मिलते हैं
दैट.
यार.
है
Even for my workshop there were points.
क्या बात कर रहा है.
Yes.
I'm so lost.
And you forget it.
Yeah, I don't care.
Yeah.
You only find yourself on the द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे.
मतलब?
अगर तू लॉस्ट है तो तू वहां जाके माइंड क्लियर
Dude, please stop it. कितने पीछे मारता है यार.
माफ करो यार, माफ करो. क्या जुल्म किया हमने? क्या करा हमने जुल्म? पूछ रहा हूं मैं. I don't know. Where did I go wrong?
पिछले जन्म में
बाबा
करे
जी।
थे यार.
बाबा जी मैंने बख्श दो.
पिछले जन्म में बहुत पाप करे थे कि
मैंने
तू
बख्श
पल्ले
दो
पड़ा है
बाबा जी।
मेरे.
देखो एटलीस्ट मतलब पापों का प्रायश्चित हो रहा है ना मेरे साथ. जितना टाइम स्पेंड
हाँ।
करोगे उतना तुम्हारा पाप का
हमारे
घड़ा.
घटिया जोक सुन सुन के प्रायश्चित हो रहा है हमारा.
और नहीं तो क्या.
धीरे-धीरे।
यू वेलकम
हम्म.
मादर चोदो. और
राम
भड़वा गांड फट गई.